guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be cooking one of my all-time favourite pork dishes. Pork escallops, cooked in a really delicious sauce and served with mushrooms and garden peas. So, here are our ingredients. These 3 lovely pork escallops, 1 red onion, I need some garlic, about 3 cloves, some close cut mushrooms, and obviously a tub of cream, our old friends salt and pepper, some cooking oil, and last but not least we're going to need some garden peas. These are fresh from my freezer. I'll make a start by cutting the pork into strips, not too thin, not too thick, about this size, just like that. Slice our mushrooms. I'm probably going to need about 15 or 20, that size. Some garlic cloves. These are a bit on the small side, so I'm going to be using, I don't know, 3 or 4. Chop these up. Dice the onion. I always keep the root on the onion when I'm dicing. Keeps it all together while you cut it up. So, on the hob, a big pan, glug of cooking oil, and firstly we go in with the pork. I'm going to separate this and start to get it a little bit brown all the way over. Add a hefty knob of butter in there. This will give the dish a nice glaze. Make it look more appetising. In with the onion. We'll let this saute down, then we can go in with the mushrooms, give this a stir around, let them soak up some of the butter, and then of course we can go in with our garlic. In that goes, and the garden peas. Mix this all together and get those lovely flavours all incorporated and get them on the go. Then we can add a whole tub of cream. You can use single cream or double cream, it's entirely up to you. Then the seasoning, to your taste of course. Salt and black pepper. We're going to let this come to a nice bubbly simmer, pop on the lid, and then we're going to leave this cooking for about 15 or 20 minutes. If it splits, not to worry, just add a little bit of cornstarch and then you end up with this really delicious dish. I love pork, don't you? And I'm going to be serving it up on a bed of lovely steamed rice. Of course you can have mashed potatoes if you want, but me, I prefer delicious rice. Now I'm going to put a little bit of parsley over the top. Makes it look really nice, doesn't it, that bit of green. And slice of lemon, give it some sharpness. And I'm telling you guys, I can't wait for my taste test. Oh guys, that really is so tasty. So easy to do. Midweek meal or a special occasion. It'd be great for both. Hope you've enjoyed this latest video of mine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you all again in the next video. So, bye for now.